Hello everyone and welcome to Module 2, Lesson number 5 for the 8th grade. With you is your teacher Hani and Naeem. In this lesson, you will learn to identify the parts of a letter. You will also learn to write a letter about one's life in a city. Let's go to the student's book, page 18. Writing a personal letter. Before you start, read this letter. What is it like where Mustafa is? Why is he writing? Okay, so we need to read the letter first. Mustafa Deep, Al Hashim Street, Irbid, Jordan, the 15th of November. Dear Ahmed, how are you? How is your family? I am very well. My new home is great, and my bedroom is really big. I am not sharing my bedroom with my brother Kareem anymore, but we're still spending lots of time together. I also like my new school. It's very modern, and my classmates are okay. I miss you and all my friends from Aqaba. Do you think you can come and visit me in Irbid? We have a guest room, and Mom says it is all right if your parents agree. Please come. Write back soon. I look forward to hearing your news. Best, Mustafa. Okay, now that we have read the letter, let's try to answer the questions. What is it like where Mustafa is? Okay, we can answer this question by looking at paragraph number 5. Mustafa says that his new home is great and his bedroom is really big. He also says that he likes his new school. It is very modern and his classmates are okay. Why is he writing? We can answer this question by looking at paragraph number 6. He is writing to invite his friend. He says, "Do you think you can come and visit me in Irbid? We have a guest room, and Mom says it is all right if your parents agree." So, as you can see, he is inviting his friend Ahmed. Now, let's go to the writing strategies, planning letters and emails. Let's read these 3 points. First, think about the situation you're in. Where are you? What is the place like? What are you doing? Okay, here you need to mention the place where you live and say something about it. For example, do you enjoy it or not? Also, you should say what new things you are doing. The second point, think about the letter. Why are you writing? Who are you writing to? And what is that person interested in? So in this second point, you should say why you are writing your letter. So for example, what do you want to say to your friend? Now the third point, think of information to include. What did you do yesterday or last week? Did you enjoy it? And what was it like? In this point, you should mention some of the things that you did recently. Did you enjoy doing these things? Why or why not? These points will help you in writing your own personal letter. Now let's go to exercise number 1 on page 18 of the student's book. Match each paragraph from the letter above with one of these headings. Okay, so we have these headings from A to G, and we need to match them to the paragraphs from 1 to 7. A. Information about Mustafa's new life in Irbid. The answer is paragraph number 5. So in paragraph number 5, he says, "I am very well. My new home is great and my bedroom is really big. I am not sharing my bedroom with my brother Kareem anymore, but we're still spending lots of time together. I also like my new school. It's very modern and my classmates are okay." So, as you can see, this paragraph contains information about Mustafa's new life in Irbid. B. the sender's name and address. The answer is paragraph number 1. As you can see, in paragraph number 1, he is mentioning his name and where he lives in Al-Hashimi Street in Irbid, Jordan. C. Greeting. The answer is paragraph number 3. As you can see in number 3, he is saying, Dear Ahmed, so he is greeting his friend Ahmed. D. The closing. The answer is paragraph or section number 7. As you can see in paragraph or part number 7, he is saying, Write back soon. I look forward to hearing your news. Best, Mustafa. So he is ending his letter. E. The date. This is paragraph number 2 or part number 2. As you can see, in 2 we have the date, the 15th of November. F. Questions about the other person. The answer is paragraph number 4. So in number 4, as you can see, he's asking about his friend Ahmed. How are you and how is your family? G. Invitation. This is number 6. In paragraph number 6, he is saying, Do you think you can come and visit me in Irbid? So he is inviting him to visit him where he lives in Irbid. Let's go to exercise number 2 on page 18 of the student's book. Imagine you now live in a different city. Make notes about your life. So we need to make notes to help us write our own personal letters. These questions will help us. What is your house or school like? So here you can say, my new house is small but beautiful. My school is very far from my house. You can also use your own sentences. What are your new friends like? Here you can say something like, my new friends are all very kind and friendly. In what way is your life different? You can say, I don't walk to school anymore. I take the bus. I also help my parents around the house more often now. Do you miss your old friends? Here you can say something like, I miss my old friends in Irbid. You can mention where you used to live. Invite your friend to stay. Here you should invite your friend to stay at your new place. Do you think you could come and visit me in Amman? Now for some home fun. For this lesson's home fun, you should try to do exercise number 3 on page 18 of the student's book. Write your letter. Tell your friend about the changes in your life, and you can use Mustafa's letter to help you. Thank you for watching this lesson.